Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this bubblegum machine for kids. It says leak-proof bubblegum blast with music and light, gun blower with 2 bottles, 8 ounce in total, summer toy for toddlers outdoor birthday gift, and it's listed on Amazon for just a little bit above $10, which I think this is absolutely insane. When I saw the images or the videos, I thought this is at least $20 or so. This is crazy. If this really works, I mean, we have already July, but there's still plenty of time left in this summer. Of course, they're a little bit depending on where you are. In the north, just maybe a couple of weeks, in the south, couple of months, but it is always next summer. And so when it's getting boring maybe during this time and you need some extra fun for the rest of your vacation, this could be something for you, really cheap. And I've seen really nice pictures and videos about this thing. Seems to be very easy. Just add battery and then fill it up, and then you can use it right away, night and day, with the extra light. I think this could be a lot of fun. So let's see what we get and how this works. So here's the gun with everything. The containers are already pre-filled, but of course you can make your own soap water. That's not a difficult thing. And the thing is, they are saying it's more powerful than other brands. It produces up to 9,999 bubbles per minute, which sounds extreme, but when you watch the videos, then you probably have to agree that this is really possible. I didn't think that's possible. What I like is that they didn't use like a screw, because this can be really tricky, and it's secure enough, so I don't see any problem. I think we need 4 times the AA batteries. So I haven't seen any instructions, but I think where the spring is, that's always where the minus has to go. And usually you shouldn't mix batteries, but I didn't have something else left, so I thought, why not? So let's see. That fits and already works. You can see this is how this works. There's a powerful fan inside, and then this is rotating. And we have also some light, and when we add the liquid, then we have nice bubbles. So let's attach it and then go outside. Of course, we have to remove this lid. Just make sure before you close the thing that the seal, the white thing here inside, is in place, otherwise it could leak, and then we screw it in. It's supposed to shoot in almost any direction and be leak proof, so it looks really, there is nothing leaking here, really solid, safe. So I've tested it outside now, and I have to admit, this thing really works. It's a solid thing. This is not a toy. I mean, it's a toy, but it is not built like a toy. This thing, at least at the moment, works really good. It's very efficient. It produces a lot of bubbles, and there's not even leaking or dripping. I remember my days when I was a child. Always these things, after a couple of minutes, everything was totally wet, soaked. The soap water everywhere leaking out, and I can't find anything. So everything is looking really good. It works, makes a lot of fun, also makes a lot of noise, of course. The bad thing, after maybe a couple of hours, you would want to have a button to turn the sound off, but the good thing is you will always know where your children are. That's the nice thing, and it produces some really fancy light in the night, so especially in the evening this will be a lot of fun to use, and of course also during the day. I think this is definitely well worth the money. Absolutely no complaints. Really fancy, funny thing. So I can give you full recommendation on that, and I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.